It's a great day for keto. My name is Liftar, and I'm bringing you today's keto tip. Welcome. Today's keto tip, 5 no-no foods that might surprise you if you're new to keto. The keto diet has a few quirks that take some getting used to. Many of the foods that you've been told all of your life are good for you aren't. At least they aren't good for the keto diet. It's not like you'll die or anything. It's just that they don't help you get into or stay in ketosis. And like all information about this kind of diet, if you aren't doing keto, eat whatever you like. But I've found that if you want to stay in ketosis, you have to be ruthless. Cheating can knock you out of keto so fast your head will spin. Our theory is to be super exact with counting your macros and stick to the program. Otherwise, we have a pre-planned 30-day system if you don't really want to do all the figuring and counting. You can find that at rockthatketo.com. Here are some of the no-nos. Sorry if some of these are on your list of favorites. There's kind of a fad around Halo Top ice cream. It was presented as the best ice cream for those on a diet. But as of today, it's still ice cream with all the wrong levels of ingredients in all the wrong places. There are up to 28 grams of sugar and carbs in a pint. We really want to cut out sugar in any form. Carbs already turn into sugar in the body. Why would we add real sugar on top of that? Low-fat cheese. You've had it drummed into your whole life. Low fat is best. It's actually the opposite when you're doing keto. You want the fat and you need the fat. Also, low-fat cheeses are likely to be altered or to have other impure ingredients. The fat makes you feel full and helps you stay on the diet. Pretty much as a general rule, you want to ditch low-fat. Grapes. Grapes have been presented as one of the fruits that do everything for your health. Outside of the world of ketosis and keto diet, that may be true. Problem is they're super high carb. Plums or kiwis are much lower in carbs, about 9 grams. But that is still half of your daily 20-gram limit. So be careful with fruit in general. Another one of the foods, margarine. Again, it's lower fat, but in our new keto world, we want the fat. Also, it'll be made of a bunch of ingredients, whereas full-fat butter is just what it says it is with no processed ingredients added. Keeping the ingredients pure will help your body handle all the changes as you lose weight. You don't need to add artificial ingredients when your liver is handling the detox of weight loss. Potatoes. Potatoes are starch. As far as the body is concerned, starch is the same thing as carbs. You might want to start experimenting with cauliflower. You can make cauliflower rice out of it, or these days you can even buy cauliflower rice pre-made for you in a lot of stores. If you ever can't resist the urge to have potato, at least try to have sweet potato instead. They contain far less carbs. If you enjoy these bite-sized tips, then come on over to rockthatketo.com and sign up for fabulous recipes, how-to tips, and inspirational stories of people who have lost weight or gotten healthy for the first time in their life. If you're ready to dive in and start losing serious weight, we have a foolproof 30-day plan all laid out for you. You can start losing weight today. Come on and check us out at rockthatketo.com, and we'll see you next time.